Hey everybody, happy weekend. This is actually a Friday, and I'm doing a bunch of video stuff this weekend, so you know, I'm just gonna call it a happy weekend. How's that for you? How are you? Hope everything is well. I just want to come in here real quick. I'm getting ready because I'm meeting up. Yeah, it's the birthday weekend still, so or the birthday week, so deal with me here. I'm meeting up with friends today. They're picking me up. We're going to the Chicago Auto Show. I've never been there before, so what I'm going to do today for the weekend, I'm going to shoot some videos. So what you're going to see after this is you'll see some video from the Chicago, I want to say Detroit Auto Show. I'm a Michigan boy, so it still reminds me of the Detroit Auto Show. So the Chicago Auto Show. So we're going to that, and maybe dinner later. I had my MRI yesterday. I have to send a shout out to Northwestern Community Hospital, downtown Chicago. Amazing customer service and all around everything. They're just great. I love them and the care. I did find out the results today on my portal that was sent to me. Looks like there's something torn in my knee. I'm not really sure, so I don't want to get too worked up over it, but which I thought in the long run there's probably going to be some minor surgery involved. So I don't know when that's going to be. Got to hear from my doctor first, but trying to be very calm about it. And it's something I've been proactive on that will be taken care of. So that's my story. I'm sticking with it. It's been a great week. I want to thank everybody for all the greetings and birthday stuff that's been going on this week, and my friends that have taken me out for dinner, and it's just kind of a wild ride, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank so many of you that have continued to donate to the Anthony Collado Performing Arts Memorial Fund at Camp Sloan. Something I set up last fall. Anthony passed away last July of 2023, and former camper, former performing arts kid that I had, and yesterday would have been his 43rd birthday, and so honor of Anthony, so you will not be forgotten. I set up this fund, and yesterday a lot of people came through with donating a lot of money, and we're still plugging away. The goal is $10,000. I think we're close to $3 million right now, so I'm working away. So all you Camp Sloan, all you Sloanies out there, or those of you that remember performing arts or whatever, please donate whatever you can do, because I really want to get this fund going, and everything goes back to performing arts at Camp Sloan and all those kids that really benefit from the program. I was director there for that program from 1989 to 1996, and I missed out because I was looking for a teaching job during the summer of '92. So I was there for 7 years. One of the best jobs I ever had in my life, and loved it. And I still hear from the campers to this day, and I'm completely blessed. So with that said, have a great weekend. Be kind, be wonderful, be all good things to yourself, and enjoy the following clips that you will see from the Chicago Auto Show. I will see you very soon. Take care and be happy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
All right, this is an affordable bowl.
it's available in all 2024 models.
I want to go look at this truck. I don't want to ride it, but